all hydrating products and my hands are ashy. So let's fix that. All right, y'all, now we're back. Hands are no longer ashy. So now let's jump right into this video. Now, anytime I flat iron my hair, because I am natural, I go in with some type of hydrating products. It is the Pantene Pro V shampoo, and I use the Pantene Pro V conditioner. It is for wavy, curly, or textured hair. It is infused with argan oil. It's sulfate free, super duper hydrating. I purchased mine from Sam's Club, which they no longer have it available in stock. However, I did go on Amazon, and I'm going to link that down below, where you can purchase the shampoo and the conditioner, and they come in really big bottles. Literally, this stuff lasts me for about maybe 6 months or something like that. Almost a year, to be honest with you. 6 months to a year. So yeah, and a little bit goes a long way. I go in with the shampoo, I wash it probably about 2 to 3 times, and then I apply the conditioner while I'm in the shower. Let the steam kind of hit it a little bit, and then I go in with I don't use those shower caps anymore, and I'm going to make another video on things that I no longer waste my money on. So I don't use shower caps anymore. I just use maybe like a store bag, you know, a jewel bag or whatever grocery store. I use a store bag, put that on my hair, and then I put on my heating cap, plug that in, do a deep conditioner for roughly about 20 minutes. I try to 15 to 20 minutes, sometime longer, and that's it. Rinse it out. Make sure you rinse out your conditioner thoroughly. I put a t-shirt on my hair, let it kind of air dry, you know, like 80% of the way, and then I go in with the blow dryer. So now let's go right in. I go in with a blow dryer. This is old. I mean, like, seriously, I don't believe in investing a whole lot of money on hair dryers. I mean, I think that the product that you get is basically the products that you actually put onto your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't believe. And I mean, some people may be able to prove me wrong as far as a blow dryer is concerned, but am I spending $100-$200 on a blow dryer? No, I will not. I'll go right to Target and get a Conair or something like that. And then the heat protector that we're going to go in with. Now, I do spend a lot of money on that. It's $18.99. It is the Mazzani products. It's called the Heat Screen. It's a heat protector spray. Helps shield against heat up to 450 degrees. And it says it's for all textures and types. I'm going to now separate my hair into 6 sections. And I've already detangled. I've used just a detangling brush, just a demoning brush. And then I've also used a wide tooth comb to detangle. I have 6 scrunchies. And yeah. And these are the tangle-free scrunchies. And also I have 2 just butterfly or hair clips or whatever to hold everything in place or hold everything down. Now, I'm also, in addition to flat ironing my hair, I am going to clip my ends as well. So that's what we're going to do. And be very, very gentle with your hair when it's especially in a wet state, because this is when your hair is most sensitive. So I'm going to go ahead and get this here parted into 6 different parts, and I will be back. All right, so we have it parted into 6 different pieces. All right, and we are going to now go in with our heat protector. I usually start from the back. And of course, I'm not going to just have y'all listen to the blow dryer. So I am going to montage this part out while I kind of blow dry my hair. But take a little bit of the heating spray. Massage that in. And then the results as far as your flat iron is concerned has a lot to do with your blow dry. So I'm going to take my blow dryer on high heat. And go ahead and go ahead. And then as you guys can see, I'm kind of holding this here part. I'm using the tension method. So I'm holding this here part here. And then I'm blow drying. And then I'm going to go in with my brush and blow dry again to get it a little bit of a sleeker, you know. I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer. You guys can see, because I kind of let it dry, air dry about 80%. It doesn't take long to really dry it and stretch it out. So this is basically what we have when we're done. All right, and so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the rest of my hair. And I want to braid this part up so it don't go through like the process of getting kind of like a double blow dry. So, and I want to try to keep it out of my way. So I'm just gonna braid that part up. And now I'm going to work on the rest of my hair. All right, guys, we are fully blow dried. All right. So now this is our hair after. And I'm hot. I am hot. Oh, that's good. All right. So I turned on my flat irons. I have the Remington wet to straight. I have not invested in a new flat iron because I just haven't. I mean, I don't flat iron my hair often. So I don't know. I got it at its highest temperature, which is 30. I think that's probably about 400 degrees. But again, these are so old. You know what? I'm going to go down a little bit. I think I'm going to go to about 25. Just to be on the safe side. Now, you use your butterfly clips to hold the rest of the hair in place. Part out small, very small sections. Small sections. This is about how much I have. Part it out. I'm doing the chase method, so I'm gonna be going in with the with the comb attachment to my flat iron, and I only do one pass. That's it. That's it. That's all. One pass. All right, guys. So I went ahead and did that little part while I talked to my husband, and you guys see how straight that is. All right. So we are going to go in with our second section. Again, you want to work in small parts. This is what you do. Take the flat iron, start there. Take the red tail comb. Ooh, I burnt myself a little. And then I just hold the hair there. One pass. One nice slow pass. That's it. And if you guys are naturals, tell me, give me some advice, because I've been doing this for some years, probably about 10. I've cut my hair. As a matter of fact, I include a picture over here where I cut my hair in 2021. January of 2021. I cut my hair, and it's now 2 years later, and this is basically the length of it now. I thoroughly enjoyed my hair when it was the shortest. Like, that's when I felt the most beautiful. That's when I felt like the most confident. I absolutely loved my hair cut short. But I'm going to go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair. And again, one good pass. When I get to the front, I'm going to come back so that you guys can really see what I'm doing. But I'm going to go ahead and do this part now. And go up to the front. And again, small part. Get out the sun. Small part. Take your comb, put it there. Flat iron. One nice slow pass. And that's it. Alright guys, so I am done flat ironing my hair. So I decided that I am gonna go in and clip my ends, and I have a good pair of shears. I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping my ends, and then when I get to my sister's house, I'm gonna ask her to kind of like just go in and reevaluate everything for me, make sure I did it correctly. Now I'm just going to tap them lightly, just dust them really. That's really all that I'm doing today. And then I'm gonna have her to go in and just give me a nice clean cut line all the way across the back, and just have her to kind of like double check my ends, make sure I did a pretty good job. But I have a like I said, normally I would clip my own ends or give myself a somewhat of a little dusting or whatever. I have a full video that I'm going to leave in the cue cards for you all to take a look at how I actually clip my ends at home. So you guys check that out. You know what else I wanted to make mention of? I wanted to make mention of a wash day. Let me know if you guys want to see a full video of my actual wash day. So I'm just going to zoom through, hit these ends real quick, and then that'll be it for this here. Alright guys, so I've clipped my ends, and here is the finished product. I wouldn't say that I did so bad. I think it looks pretty good. Still kind of fluffy, has a little texture to it. Well, it's actually straighter than what I anticipated for it to be. But this is it. Thanks again for coming to my channel. I'm trying to think if I forgot to mention anything in this video. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box. I reply to all my comments. And again, thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for supporting me. And I will see you all Friday for more fashion. Make sure, so I'm calling these here Fashion Friday and Impromptu Tuesday. So you'll get a new video every Friday and every Tuesday. So again, thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And be sure to follow me on all of my other socials. I gotta run because my husband is waiting on me. I'm about 30 minutes later than what I actually anticipated on being. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for, if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for doing all that stuff. And again, bye. that camera.
And then my nieces, y'all.
Nieces. You in there like swimwear. You in there like swimwear. What is wrong with y'all?
Husband. There go Hatcher. Hey, Hatch. This is my niece. That's Jordan. Say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Zari. That's my nephew. That's our kid. That's Jordan. Jordan said Happy Easter. I mean, not Jordan, that's Zari. That's Zari. That's my nephew, y'all. That's DJ. Say hey, Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
The right way?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Mom gotta say Happy Easter. You look cute.
Yes.
I like that shirt.
Well, thank you.
I look really pretty.
Thank you. Y'all enjoy y'all Easter, y'all holiday.
Okay. She's still getting dressed. She got a stain on her mirror, y'all.
You want me to wipe it off? Here, hold on. I got a scar.
Okay. She tried to use my scarf, y'all.
So jeans and the shirts is black. I got my cozy, comfortable socks. With deodorant on.
Okay. And then you put on some shoes. What shoes would you wear with this here?
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me go get my house shoes.
No, I said some shoes. You can put them on with it.
I am about to go put these on.
Okay. So there go her shoes. There go her shoes for today. And her socks. Her socks are really cute. Oh, her socks actually match everything else. They look cute. Thank you, girl. So there go my twin sister, y'all. We don't look like twins. She's
very like don't care-ish.
I'm the before. She's the after.
Now look, first you gotta taste it. It look good.
Okay.
But how they say everything look good.
Dang.
All right, we gotta say Happy Easter.
Okay. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you.
We can call people in and start. I mean, if you're ready for stuff to start being served.
Hey, Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
That's my auntie Shirley.
Hey, Happy Easter.
There go Mikey. Say Happy Easter.
I'll take it. Yeah, I think she do.
She is listen. What I do?
Happy Easter. It's a fine sister. They 40, 30, we old and looking back.
Provided us with the Jesus insurance card. And since then we've been covered by the blood of Jesus, and bringing us together here. So we know that the time here is only temporary. This is a temporary time, but we're here to prepare for the real homecoming and the homegoing. Amen.
Amen. Charlie told me to tell all of y'all hi.
Oh, okay.
She's doing it.
Lucy, you going to sleep?
Girl, you said you want look at 8.
Oh, she got the itis. Now with the nephew. Hi, Butt. Noah Bear. Hey, Noah Bear.
Why are you making the picture?
So are we looking this way? Wait, where are we looking? Wait.
Alright. Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Cheese. A little bit. Alright.
Take some more. Take like 2 more.
Yeah, right.
Like 7.
I said like 6.
Oh.
That's my nephew, y'all. And this your junior year, right? Look at how tall he is. Look at how tall he is. And he only a junior.
Y'all better be subscribed to my TT.
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe
to my TT.
There you go.
Yeah.
What you gonna tell them? Make sure they what?
Subscribe and like to my